In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation or space in Google Chat safely and confidently. First, start by opening Google Chat on your computer or mobile device. You can use the standalone app or the web version. Whatever you normally use is fine. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Deleting a conversation is permanent, so it's worth a quick pause to confirm you're in the right place before you proceed. Next, open the specific conversation or space you want to remove. This could be a one-on-one chat, a group conversation, or a space. Take a moment to skim the messages to ensure there's nothing you need to save. If you think you might need a message later, consider copying important details to a note before moving on, because deleting will remove your access to the thread. Once you're inside that chat or space, look toward the top of the window and click the space or conversation name. That header area is where key options and settings live. If you're on mobile, tap the name at the top. On desktop, a simple click will open additional controls. This is the quickest way to access management options for that conversation. Now, look for the drop-down arrow next to the name. Click the small arrow and a menu will appear. Depending on your setup, the wording can vary slightly, but you're in the right spot if you see options related to managing or leaving the conversation or space. From the menu, choose Delete Conversation. This selection is specifically for removing the chat from your view. In some setups, you may see wording that references a space. The key point is you're selecting the option that removes the conversation entirely, rather than just muting or leaving it. Double-check the label before you click, because this action cannot be undone. Finally, confirm the deletion when prompted. Google Chat will ask you to verify that you want to delete the conversation, and this is your last chance to back out if you selected the wrong chat. Click Confirm Delete to proceed. Once confirmed, the conversation is removed, and you won't see it in your chat list anymore. That's it. By opening Google Chat, selecting the right conversation or space, using the name at the top to access the drop-down, choosing Delete Conversation, and confirming, you'll clean up your chat list quickly and intentionally. Take your time at each step, and only confirm when you're absolutely sure you no longer need the conversation.